Today's topic is representation of elements and introduction of compound. If we split an element like this, like this, like this, and here we come to an atom. We know an element is a collection of similar atoms, or an element is composed of only one kind of atom. The observation used to denote an element is called a symbol. A symbol is the short form of the element. A symbol represents one atom of an element and hence the element itself. This is combination of similar atoms. The same atom come together for a form a element. A symbol represents one atom of an element and hence the element itself. This is the combination of similar atoms. The same atom come together form of an same atom. If I denote this atom with a particular symbol for the entire element as the combination of the same atom. Origin of symbols of elements. Ancient science of alchemists used certain signs and syllables of mythological origin which represented elements and compounds: copper, gold, iron, silver, sulfur. The first time the symbols for the element justified by John Dalton. He gave the figurative symbols for the element. He represented atoms of various elements by circles and different markings in the circle. A group of these circles represented compounds. These are the elements and symbols discovered by Dalton. If we see, these are all not rememberable so easy. దాని తర్వాత Johns Jacob Beryllius scientists justify the other way to the elements. So Johns Jacob Beryllius scientists justify the other ways to the elements. These are the chemical symbols discovered by Beryllius. Some symbols are derived from the first letter of the English names of the element. They are written in capital letters. Examples are hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. Some symbols are derived from the first letter and another significant letter of the English names of the elements. The first letter is always written in capital and the other significant letter is written in small. Examples: aluminium, bromine, and calcium. Some symbols are derived from the Latin name of the element. Example: copper, iron, and potassium. The periodic table is a system arrangement of elements in a tabular form. It makes the study of element easy. Compound. We know that there are just 26 letters in English alphabet. This alphabet can be combined in a number of ways to form a large number of words. Similarly, there are about 188 different elements. These elements combine together in different ways to form a large number of compounds. A compound is a pure substance made up of two or more elements chemically combined in a fixed proportion by mass. These are the examples of some compounds and the elements they are made up of. Water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. Carbon dioxide is made up of carbon and oxygen. Common salt or sodium chloride is made up of sodium and chlorine.